Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the flash firing mode on the Canon EOS R50. So the first thing that we're going to do is click on this menu button, and then we're going to go to the camera section and the subsection number 1, and then we're going to select flash control. So use these keys right here to navigate through the menu, and then select flash control by pressing the set button, and then here you have the flash firing mode. So you can select either automatically fire or just fire, and then once you've selected any of these options, you can back out of the menu and the options will be selected automatically. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.